Hey guys, check out lot number 25 over here at Clyde Independent School District. It is going to be a Bluebird, flat nose, 6BT Cummins, Allison automatic transmission. It will need a battery, or you might can jump this one off. We did have to put batteries on everything out here except this one to get it to roll. So check it out online at cmauctions.com. This bus has been upgraded and it's got to go. We've got a good little fleet of buses over here. If you're looking for several buses, maybe you got to order, this would be a good place to pick you some buses up. There are no reserves, there are no minimums. Online at cmauctions.com. I'll give you a little inside tour. This is not an air-conditioned bus, but it is a pretty nice bus. Seats are good in it. Allison automatic. Check it out online at cmauctions.com. It's going to have 194,000 miles on it. Pick it up in Clyde, Texas, Clyde Independent School District.